To add buying power in Webull. The process is straightforward and easy to follow. Start by opening the Webull app and scrolling up from the top bar to display the PNL order transfer and history options. Scroll down to find the transfer option. Then click on the deposit button. To proceed, you will need to add your bank account, which can be done using one of two methods: real-time verification or micro-deposit verification. If you have online banking details, you can use the first option. Otherwise, choose the second. Once you've selected your bank from the list, enter your bank details to link your account to Webull. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit into your Webull account, as funding your account is necessary to add buying power. After completing the transfer, the money will be added to your buying power. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully add buying power to your Webull account.